the benefit of donating the blood, it's really a new blood and it's saving a life, and I'm so happy to donate the blood.
As part of the 75th anniversary of India's Independence Day, the 2nd Meghalaya Battalion Ncc, in collaboration with the Indian Red Cross Meghalaya, organized a blood donation camp on the 12th August 2022. The blood donation camp was held throughout the Northeast region, and while interacting with the cadets, they shared their experience after donating blood and stated that 350 ml of blood donated can save the lives of 3 people. Speaking to the media, Brigadier Jai Singh Yadav expressed that the camp was organized as a celebration of the 75th anniversary of India's independence.
I'm Brigadier Jai Singh Yadav. I am Group Commander Ncc Group Shillong. As you're aware that the whole country is celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. In the continuation of that, under the aegis of Northeastern Directorate Ncc, many programs are being organized in whole of Northeast. In Meghalaya, the NCC battalions are conducting a number of programs, and as you are aware, we are having the big day 15th August, just 2 days away. So in the run-up to the 75th Independence Day, this program today, a blood donation camp is being organized with the active participation of the Red Cross Shillong, in which 100 cadets, both boys and girls, they are donating blood voluntarily. It's a very noble job. We are so thankful to everyone to help our cadets learn the great qualities which help them in becoming better citizens and more so better human beings, and supporting the society and the state as a whole.
Good morning, my name is Ribar Walang. I am the chairman of the Indian Red Cross Meghalaya branch. I've just come to visit this camp here, blood donation camp. I've seen a lot of volunteers are coming forward to donate blood. I've always thought that blood donation is the most valuable contribution that any human being can make to help another human being. So I'm so glad that the NCC office here has organized this in collaboration with the Red Cross Society, and I do hope that it's going to be a major success as part of the celebrations of our 75th year of independence.
Gary from Shillong College. It's my first time donating blood, so I'm a bit nervous, but just it's possible for a good thing. And I want to say that every youth should donate blood. At least you will save an unknown life. So it will be helpful for those who want blood in emergency, and who knows, at times you also wanting blood, but you can't get it. You feel bad for it. So it's very nice if every youth come up and donate blood. When you are eligible, please donate blood. Thank you.
I'm Shillong I'm from St. Anthony College. This is my 5th time donating blood, and the benefit of donating the blood, it's really a new blood and it's saving a life, and I'm so happy to donate the blood. And every 3 months, I'm ready to donate the blood again.
मेरा नाम प्रेमा फुंसो है। मैं शंकरदेव कॉलेज से हूँ। और ये मेरा 3rd टाइम है ब्लड डोनेशन का, और ये मैं आने वाले यूथ को ये कहना चाहूँगा कि ब्लड डोनेशन सभी को करना चाहिए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सबको कभी ना कभी ब्लड चाहिए होता है, और ब्लड डोनेट करने से कुछ नहीं होता है। ब्लड डोनेट करने पे आपका बॉडी को आपका बेनिफिट होता है। ये ब्लड डोनेट करने के बाद वापस आपका रिफिल हो जाता है। आपको ये ब्लड डोनेट करने से आप एक बार ब्लड डोनेट करने पे आप 3 लाइफ सेव कर सकते हैं। तो मैं सबको ये आने वाले यूथ को ये कहना चाहूँगा कि हमेशा आप जब भी मौका मिले आपको, ये आप ब्लड डोनेट करने के लिए ट्राई कीजिएगा।